quickly going through the two actions. The first one we learned and this is the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, how he deals with nations when he gives them guidance, when he sends his messengers. And so prosperity in this world is not a guarantee of success in the hereafter for both individuals and nations. Follow Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's guidance. This is the only way to Jannah. This is the only way to prosperity. And following Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guidance also means prosperity in this world, contentment in this world, as well as success in the hereafter. Because sometimes nations and people, individuals can be deceived. We are doing so well, I'm doing so well, I can do whatever I want, and there is no accountability, and my life is great. And because I am blessed, and if they are believers, sometimes some believers think, because I'm blessed in this life, so in the afterlife as well, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will make me enter Jannah. Now I have so much wealth, house, this and that. No. And by the way, and we also discussed that prosperity, wealth, and all of these things are not bad as long as you are utilizing them in the right way, in the way that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has guided us. The second action was, once truth has been revealed, and this is the attitude, the mindset that we discussed, that when the truth was presented via Musa alayhi salam from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and the miracle was shown, the Firaun and his chiefs, they did not accept it, while the magicians who were there, they all kneeled down and bowed down, and they were ready to face any consequence and deliver any sacrifice, regardless any punishment that Firaun was about to give them, because they knew that they're about to go to their Lord, and they will be returning to their Lord, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So the lesson from that story for us is that once the truth has been revealed, we have to accept it. We have to keep our hearts and mind open. And once we have accepted this truth, meaning we implement it in our lives, regardless of whatever sacrifice is required or it demands from us. So I hope everything is clear.